how you create an amazing logo like this completely free of charge. And I went over to Copilot, which is the free ChatGPT version from Bing, and I typed in a logo for a travel agency for stressed out business people. It should have the brand colors purple and yellow. And then it used Create Studio, which is based in Dalle Free, and gave me a logo almost immediately. It actually gave me 4 logos, as you can see. And they're all pretty much professional as well. Some of them removed the background, but this one, it came with a business card and put it onto a mock-up of a laptop. And I'll show you the other. This is another example it gave me. And this one too, and that one as well. But what I decided to go for is that logo. So what I had to do was remove the background. But before I did that, I went over and I saved it into a logos folder so I can get back to it later, which you can do on Bing, which is amazing. Copilot is great. And I saved it onto my phone on downloads. And then I went to remove background. I removed the background so that it become a transparent logo. And then I saved that and went over to Canva and I moved it around in the right position. I resized it a little bit smaller so I could put a logo, the business name underneath, Stress Away Travel. And then I chose the right font for that, which was very quick. And this literally took me about 2 minutes. It really did. Then I went up to Mockups. This is a free app in Canva, and I chose branding. I looked around for the branding one. All you have to do is put the logo in the picture frame and it gives you that template straight away. From there, I went over to Magic Switch and it could resize it into any size that you want. And I chose flyers, but you could choose business cards as well. And that was it. Amazing.
If you like this, then subscribe to the channel and like and comment.